The days of letting little pricks annoy you are over. Introducing the HelloBio smartwatch, a sleek watch that can test your blood sugar and lactic acid. Diabetics have to endure painful and regular finger pricks that give little useful data. But with the HelloBio smartwatch, it collects sweat sugar levels and lactate data, which can be viewed via the Hella app on your smartphone. The HelloBio smartwatch is masterfully designed with a sleek look using mathematical formulas for every line, curve, and bevel. It comes by applying a drop of sweat to the BioNano sensor on the HelloBio smartwatch, which immediately detects the glucose and lactic acid levels and more. Imagine doing that with a traditional glucose meter. Not the same. A charging case that lasts up to 30 days, and a wireless phone charger. This has it all. The HelloBio smartwatch will notify you when you have extremely low or high sugar levels. Might not be suitable for dogs. You deserve to live elegantly, without the pain of the past. Don't just take my word for it. Support our campaign and be one of the first to find out how easy and comfortable the HelloBio smartwatch is.
For this reason, I created Bolt, the smallest and lightest electric vehicle in the world. Bolt is more than just an electric board. It's the most portable vehicle out there. It's an amazing means of transport, powerful, lightweight, easy to use, and smart. A small great revolution in the world of mobility.
He has a powerful motor of 2000 watts of power, and it can go uphill and start from a full stop. The inside batteries are so powerful that can recharge your devices on the go. Through the built-in USB port, you can even recharge completely your iPhone up to 20 times.
With the remote controller, riding Bolt is easy as playing a video game. Whoa, iced tea, thank you. It has a top speed of 21 km per hour and is just as fast as a bicycle. It has a range of about 10 km, more than what you need for the short daily commute in the city. With a length of 60 centimeters, it's the smallest electric skateboard in the world, and with a weight of 4 kilograms, it's light enough to be carried even when not in use with no effort, on your backpack or by hand. With its Italian design, Bolt is both modern and practical, and its deck is of the right size for a comfortable and safe landing. It also has the brake to stop safely.
You can think Bolt like a compact longboard. He has larger track for more stability. He has bigger wheels to overcome every obstacles on the street.
Bolt is smart with Bluetooth 4 connectivity. We're going to develop a smartphone app and also integrate it with wearables. Bolt has extremely low running costs and lets you save money on fuel. A complete recharge for an entire year will be less than $5 on the bill. And when the sun goes down, turn on the lights and continue to skate.
Introducing the future of portable storage. The Vava Portable SSD Touch is a sleek, compact file storage solution secured by fingerprint. With multi-device compatibility, 5 times faster transfer speeds than traditional hard drives, and ability to record up to 10 sets of fingerprints, file sharing has never been faster or more secure. Fingerprint. You can add up to 10 individual fingerprints to every Vava Touch SSD. We'll hit Get Started, and then we'll put our finger on the fingerprint scanner, off again, and back on to give the sensor an idea of what our fingerprint looks like. Soon it'll be done, and you click Done. You can also rename each fingerprint. I'll be naming this one Brock, as that's, my name. And voila! You're ready to get started storing. Now, I've got this 4.7 gigabyte video file that I need to move to my desktop, which is a hard drive. Yeah, that's taking quite a bit. And the same file back to the SSD. Wow, that's pretty fast. Golly, it's really fast.
Is Clean Freak, a toothbrush for clean freaks. Clean Freak cleans. That means brushes, not just vibrate or send a meaningless ultraviolet ray. Brushing done right. You just hold it and it gets everywhere, on, above, and in between your teeth. A Clean Freak is the only truly autonomous brush. The very precisely calculated sliding motion allows Clean Freak to reach every tooth without you moving your hand. No tooth is left behind. Every tooth gets 10 good scrubs from every angle, every second. And the sensation after brushing with Clean Freak. Did someone say silky smooth? Yes, everyone did. It hates plaque. Rightfully so. Plaque, besides harming your teeth, can cause all of that. Clean Freak removes plaque better than a veteran Clean Freak with a brush ever could. 45 degrees to gum line, 5mm strokes, and the sliding motion all work together for the highest efficacy. And it only takes 30 seconds. 15 down, 15 up. So much free time for activities. And it's not just about dental cleanse. Everything is perfect with Clean Freak. The mouthpiece is made of flexible medical-grade silicone that sits comfortably in any jaw shape. The bristles are made of soft nylon, the best material to clean. And they vary in size. Long bristles for front teeth and short for molars. The pressure is optimized to prevent you from brushing too aggressively. That's what truly autonomous means. A brush that knows what to do without you needing to do anything. Even if you still have your wisdom teeth, Clean Freak comes in 2 sizes to fit perfectly. So if you want healthier teeth, better breath, and a great teeth sensation, with a toothbrush that cleans your teeth better at a fraction of the time, get Clean Freak.